Today we have a lithium-ion jump starter. Like I said, we have a lithium-ion jump starter. This is one of those little micro jump starter packs for your vehicle. This was sent to us by Duracell, so that was really cool. When I checked my inbox and saw that I had an email from Duracell, I was like, holy crap, that's really cool. They wanted to know if I would do a review and take a look at their jump starter. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to go about testing this because out of the 3 project vehicles we have here, they all have new batteries, so I'll try to figure something out. If not, I'll at least show you all the features and explain how it works. So enough rambling, I'll get the camera over here and we'll check it out. So here we are over on the bench. Again, this is the Duracell lithium-ion jump starter. You can get this on Amazon. They sell it in a few stores. I think you can get it at like Pep Boys, Costco, and a few others. I'm not completely sure what all stores carry this, but you can get this in stores and you can get it on Amazon. It's rated at 1100 peak amps. I'm not quite sure how we'll go about testing that, but it does say that you can jump 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, 8 cylinders. You can use it on pretty much anything. According to the packaging, it says up to 25 jump starts per charge, up to 5 smartphone recharges. That seems like that would be opposite to me. Seems like it would take more to jump start a vehicle than it would to charge your smartphone. But anyway, this is just what the package says. It says that it holds a charge for a year. It has safe jump technology. I guess that prevents sparking and protects against reverse polarity. It says it has a 200 lumen LED work light and it's IP65 weatherproof. Okay, we got the box off. Oh, well, I felt something underneath. Oh, it has a little carrying bag. You have plenty of warnings, so make sure you check these out. We have, well, let's find our language features. Okay, there we go. We have 3 different manuals and 3 different languages and warranty information and another one of these warnings. There's 3 of these things, so apparently be really, really careful with this thing. We have our little clamps for jumping the vehicle. They are plastic, but they have really firm spring inside them. Decent sized wire. This looks like a car charger, USB, and then we have another warning. I might have to stop recording for a second and actually read a couple of these because that's like 3. That's the 4th one of those things. This is the battery cell itself. It has some weight to it. It's fairly substantial. I'll give you a good look at it here. I have not charged this yet, so I'm just trying it straight out of the box. This looks like, okay, that's for the light. Okay, so we have like a high, a low, and a warning beacon. Then you have the on button for the jump starter itself. I will wait until I read a few of these warnings until I hit that button. Let's take the cover off here. And here we have our charging port, and then another port to charge your phone, and then the spot where you plug your jumpers in. It's a really secure connection, and it is a shaped connector, so you can't plug it in the wrong way or anything. I'm gonna try charging my phone. Plug in the USB. And my phone is charging. And I think this is the indicator of how much power this has left in it. I'll have to look. Again, I haven't read the instructions. You should always read the instructions before you start messing with something. Like I said at the beginning of the video, out of the 3 project vehicles that we have here, none of them have a dead battery, and I don't want to drain a battery. I am going to put this in one of the project vehicles, and maybe sometime I'll actually get to test it out and see if it will jumpstart one of the project vehicles. So I guess I'll have to come back to this and do an update. So this is more of just a quick unboxing and overview. My first impressions of it, just by handling it, you know, I mean, like I said, it feels like it has really, I mean, these are some really stiff clamps on here. So that part's nice. I wish that these were, you know, more of a rubber coating rather than just plastic. The battery cell itself has some weight to it. I like that. I like it has a light feature on it. To turn on your jump start feature, you have your separate power button, and then you have to press and hold it to shut it back off. Comes with a carrying case, lots of warnings, charging cable, all that stuff. So you have a jump starter, a flashlight, and a phone charger kind of all in one, and it's, you know, really small. So should be fairly convenient. So a huge thanks to Duracell for sending this out to me. I'm going to do a follow-up on this video after I get a chance to actually use this. So if you're looking for a little, you know, jump starter for this winter or whatever, something, you know, small and compact, I would definitely give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this short overview unboxing video. If you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers or you're new to the channel, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there. I've got, you know, some overviews and reviews and unboxings kind of like this. I've got how-to videos. I've got 3 different project vehicles that I do all kinds of different things with. So make sure to go in there and check out a couple videos. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.